All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Hbar family. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing so much love on these updates. I'm sure if you're part of the Hbar community, you guys have had a great, day, especially December 1st. It has started off on a really positive note, not just for Hbar, for multiple different coins. You're looking at XRP making, history, Algorand, Litecoin. You guys get the idea. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with Hbar right now and what we could be expecting going into Monday morning. And as we're recording this update, we're approaching midnight here in North America, and by the time you guys are watching this update, obviously it will already be midnight. But what a great day it has been for Hbar. It is the top gainer right now in the top 100 coins on the weekly time frame. It's up 73.9% right now. So massive moves we're talking about, with the price currently sitting at 25 cents, guys. Yes, you've heard that correct. 25 cents, up 44% in Bitcoin comparative as well. And the market cap, guys, look at the market valuation approaching $10 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about 3.5 billion. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I want to start off with this, guys, whale account trends. So whales keep accumulating. Hbar continues to be taken off exchanges as the supply shock is starting to gain momentum. There will soon be very little Hbar left to buy on exchanges, potentially causing a skyrocketing price appreciation due to the demand outweighing supply. A perfect example of this would be XRP right now. The way XRP is flying right now, there's going to come a time where, there's not going to be enough XRP to be purchased on these exchanges, which could cause the price to skyrocket quite fast. Pretty much look at it from a supply and demand factor. And, speaking about supply and demand, when you look at Hbar breaking out of that key resistance, which I spoke to you guys about countless of times, over the course of the last 3 weeks, after breaking out of there, we have seen major fireworks for Hbar already in such a short span of time, up 44% in the last 24 hours, guys. That speaks for itself. But yeah, let's take a closer look and see what's happening as far as the broader market is concerned. So if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, you can see the dominance index continues to fall, and this is something that I have my eyes very close on. And it's continuing to fall despite Bitcoin seeing, a complete fake out, or, ups, downs, no matter what the case may be recently, for the price of Bitcoin, we are not seeing the dominance reacting to Bitcoin's move. And what is this showing us? This is showing us money is flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. Speaking about altcoins are pumping like crazy right now. You're seeing multiple double-digit gains for, utility projects that no one could have thought were going to be making these moves. Look at Algorand, up 73.1%. Look at VeChain today. Shout out to my VeChain family, up 11.2% over the last 24 hours. EOS, ICP, you guys get the idea as to what's really happening. So it's not just Hbar that's gaining traction, it's a lot of them. But Hbar was kind of starting to lag a little bit behind that resistance, but now you guys know the importance of that significant resistance. As we broke out, everything aligns for itself. Everything pretty much is speaking for itself right now. But yeah, let's take a look at Hbar right now. You guys can see I spoke to you guys about the key resistance at the 27 cents resistance, and I literally talked to you guys about this just a few days back. I was talking already about this key resistance, and kind of going back to just a few days back, this 15 cents price point. Since then, guys, if you bought back if you bought back around this range at that key resistance, you're up right now about 66%, and you can't make this up anymore. Obviously, I mentioned this to you guys in the earlier update. Hbar is no longer in the accumulation zone, meaning the bear market zone is no longer in play. We have broken out, and we are retesting some levels we haven't seen since the last bull market. Even though you could come out and say, well, Crypto ZX, the 61.8 was the start of bear market, but we still consolidated here. I'd say the start of the bear market was once we broke below the 15 cents price point, and then of course the consolidation speaks for itself. But now that we have broken out of that major resistance, you are seeing major amounts of buying pressure coming in for Hbar. Whales are accumulating, not a surprise, and there's a lot of demand. Speaking about whales, could that be the likes of these big institutions that are filing for an ETF? Think about it. They are filing for ETFs. Canary Capital, I think, is the one that filed for a spot ETF for Hbar. So are they accumulating? Possibly, right? These are things to be kind of considering. But if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, this is a beautiful chart right now, beautiful upward trajectory. And yeah, it speaks for itself. Literally, guys, literally 3 days back, you could have picked this up at 15.5 cents and would have been up about 70% right now in just a matter of 2 to 3 days. So major demand. Thank Bitcoin dominance as well. Dominance is going down, money flowing back into the altcoins. We cannot be ignoring that. But I do believe that, we're going to retest this key resistance in the next coming hours. And, so far everything is going as planned. If you want to put this into perspective, only a 7% move from where we currently are. And yeah, I do believe, we're going to retest this. As of now, I'm personally projecting if this retest happens, we might see a little bit of a rejection because, of course, we haven't been above here since, beginning of 2022. So almost, guys, almost 3 years ago. Almost 3 years ago. So tells you everything you need to know, but a great move right now for Hbar. I don't think, the steam is going to end anytime soon based off of what we're seeing with XRP and some of these other altcoins and the way dominance is going down. I have my close eyes on the dominance. I think we're about to see this month of December, be massive. At the beginning of next year, I am projecting a little bit of a cool off, but let's forget about next year right now. Let's focus on ending off the year on a positive note. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do not forget to lock those profits in when you see them. Love you all. See you later. It's been CryptoZX and peace out.